Hey, what's up everybody? Today, I'll be looking at the SOUNDPEATS GoFree2 wireless open earbuds. It offers features like low latency for gaming and high quality audio at an affordable price. But are these open earbuds as good as they sound, or are they just another pair of affordable open earbuds? Let's find out. This unit was provided by SoundPeats for review, but all the opinion in this video is my own opinion with no influence from SoundPeats. Let's check out the build quality. The case is made out of plastic with a matte black finish that does not attract dust and fingerprints as easily, but the trade-off to that is that scratches are more noticeable. And located on the front is the LED dot light. That light will change color depending on the battery life of your case, and in terms of battery life, you can expect a total of 35 hours with 9 hours per bud. And located on the back is a blue USB-C port. The charging time will take you about 2 hours going from 0 to 100%. Let's take a look at these earbuds. It has an air conduction design that looks refreshing and is designed to wrap around your ear. And it is made out of a silicone material that's soft to the touch, which by the way are quite comfortable and can be worn for a long period of time. Even while exercising, these open earbuds will stay snug to my ear and rarely did I need to readjust it. And where you see the SoundPeats logo is also where the touch controller is located. So one tap for volume up, double tap for pause and play, and etc. But if you prefer not to use the touch controller, you can simply disable it in the SoundPeats app. In addition to that, you could also upgrade firmware, enable adaptive EQ, choose preset, customize EQ, enable game mode, and enable dual device connection. I also want to point out that the iOS SoundPeats app has an issue where the layout will cause the name to be cut off, so you won't know what you are enabling until you enable it. With a 16.2mm dynamic driver and support for high-res audio and LDAC, the overall sound quality was clean and balanced. I found the volume was loud and bass is noticeable without being too punchy. It made watching movies, listening to podcasts, and music so much more enjoyable. And the game mode works as I expected to. It reduced the audio latency to not be a distraction, and that was enough to enjoy the game. But these earbuds are designed to let you hear your surroundings, so there's no active noise cancellation, and that will affect the audio quality in a noisier environment like at the gym or anywhere that's noisy like a coffee shop. I found the instrument will sound less noticeable, and sound effects like explosion will lose its punchiness, voices will sound less clear. You can minimize some of these losses by changing the EQ setting or turning up the volume. The mic on the SoundPeats GoFree2 performed better than I expected. My voice sounds overall clear and realistic, and the 4 mics did an acceptable job with cancelling noises. You will still be able to hear some noises, but it keeps it to a minimum. So what do you think of the mic? Let me know in the comments. I have really enjoyed using these open earbuds for its excellent audio, call quality, multi-point connection, and comfort. But I did run into a few issues. The first one was the layout of the iOS SoundPeats app made it difficult to know what I was enabling. The second one was it sometimes failed to connect to more than one device despite having the dual connection enabled. Despite these drawbacks, I would still recommend the SoundPeats GoFree2 for anyone who is looking for an affordable and comfortable open earbud with high quality sound for not just only sports and outdoor activity, but for everyday use. So, what do you think of the SoundPeats GoFree2? Let's talk about it in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one.